Welcome back to Thunkable! Ready to build your 8th intermediate app? In this tutorial, we will create an app that will automatically text anyone who calls you, and it will respond with a custom message.
Hey, this is the Thunkable Beaver. Want to prank Albert?
This app is great for customizing messages, and it also keeps you from using your phone while driving. Let's call this app Intermediate App 8, Intermediate App 8, BRB Driving, BRB Driving. So start by dragging a text box component into the phone. Text boxes are lots of fun because they're over meow. This is where you can customize your auto-respond message. And let's set the text box's width to 85%. We can do that over meow. Let's also add a checkbox component. This is a thing that you can check. You check with a little box, and then it will turn something on and off like a light switch. And we can change the text of the checkbox. Let's have it say, over here we can have it say, read incoming messages aloud. Read incoming messages aloud. Do you have that? So when this box is checked, your phone will read out loud every text you receive while you are driving. And next we are going to go into the media section and grab a text-to-speech component. Our good friend text-to-speech. Yeah, great. And then in the component... Excuse me. I ate a lot of tacos tonight. In the component section for social, that's over here. Drag and drop a texting component into the app. Terrific work. And let's hide the title bar of this app. So we just click screen 1 over here. We scroll down and we click this over here. Great. So no more title bar. And let's go to background image. And we're going to upload a nice image of a car and of a phone. And if you click the link in this tutorial video, that picture is available. Terrific work. We can also add in a vertical alignment component. So basically, these components in the alignment section allow you to put your other components nicely fit, either horizontally or vertically. And that is over here. This component's going to hold the other components. So let's just drag and drop them inside. Great. And let's set the height to automatic. And let's make the width 100%. Great. Now, many users ask us how to space components apart when making an app in Thunkable. And, they want to make things a little farther apart so they're not all smushed together. So here's a trick that will help you create more space. Let's drag and drop a label component above and below the text box and checkbox. We're going to drag and drop labels everywhere. Labels falling around in the sky. Sorry, I really like labels. I got distracted. Now we just delete the text in each of the labels. So go ahead and delete the text of the first one and of the second one. There we go. And as you can see, now everything is nicely spaced out. And you can click screen 1 over here, and then align vertical center 2 to center the box. You can also set the background color of the text box to white, so it will stand out from the background picture. Absolutely brilliant work. Your app looks lovely. It's time to block it out. Now, the function of this app is to deal with received text messages. That's where we're starting. So let's go into the block options for the texting component, and we are going to select the block that says when texting component dot message received due. Go ahead and put that in. That's the first block. Next, we're going to text the person back. So we need a block that can read their number, and so we need to go back to the texting component block options, and we have this set texting component dot phone number to block. Go ahead and thunk that in. Thunk. And it's very easy to get the number of the phone that's calling you. We just click this block right over here, and we can get the number that is texting or calling us. And thunk that right in over here. Next, we need a block that will send an auto message to anyone that texts or calls the phone. So what are we going to do? We need to go get a block in the texting component sections, and we are going to select the set texting1.message2 block. Go ahead and thunk that right in. Now, what message will the texting component send? It's going to send whatever we type in the text box. So let's go get a text box block. We go into the text box section. We're looking for a textbox.text block. Have you found it? Here it is. And again, you can grab any similar component and just update it on the drop-down menu later. So let's select text. Good. Now go ahead and thunk that right in. Fantastic work. Good form. And we just need to tell the texting component to send the message. So go back to the block options for texting component and select the call texting component dot send message block. Have you found that one? It's over. Yeah. Go ahead and thunk that right in. Good show. And the last step is telling your app to speak the incoming messages out loud, but only if the checkbox is checked. So again, someone sends you a message. We want this app to just start telling you the message. So let's type in if then, because we need an if then block. Great. Go ahead and thunk that in. So if the checkbox is checked, so let's go ahead and find that block in the checkbox section. And here it is over here. Go ahead and thunk that in. Then we want it to call the text-to-speech component to speak the message. And if we go into the block options for text-to-speech, we have that exact block right over here, the call text-to-speech dot speak message. So what message will this be? And where do we get the block for messages? Well, right over here, the same way this block was able to read the number of the person calling or texting you, it can also identify their text messages. So simply thunk the get message text into this opening over here. Wow, that was a lot of thunking, but you just built your 8th intermediate app. Let's see it in action.
Hey, this is the Thunkable Beaver. Want to prank Albert?
And did you know that you could actually prank Albert with it too? Hey Albert. Hey. Can you help me with an app demo? Hey, hey, I made this app. I'm gonna text you, and it's gonna respond with this message to me, and it's gonna read the message I sent to you out loud. Is that okay? Can you help with this? All right, here we go. I'm just gonna put that right there. Be right back.
Hey Albert, what time is it?
Terrific work. And remember, if you're texting while driving, you should stop doing that. Use this app instead. Drive safely. See you next time, and thanks for thunking.